What's going on, Lily? What's going on? Oh, let me look. That's what's going on. Mom is wearing Lily's crown. Look it. Lily's not happy about it. You know, you need to give her crown back. Okay. There you go. And the earrings, Mom. Good. Okay. And the other earring. She's turning so you can put it on her other ear. And the ring. Okay, stand up now. There. Are you happy now? Yeah? Oh, let me see how pretty you are. Wow. Super pretty. Smile. Okay, say goodbye now. Bye-bye.